How's the meats, bro?
Very good, man. So we out here drinking this. It's some michelada. But I asked for Dos Equis, but they brought me Tecate Lite. It's probably because of my little shorts. I'm not sure. What about you, little bro?
Oh shit, I got the premium red.
The premium red, right? Shit, we out here. We out here though, let's check it out. Here's when the B-roll is like, you know? Cheeky? Who? Oh, cheeky.
I guess it's premium, huh, folks? Premiums aren't provided, right?
Here, yeah.
Yeah?
He said you can have the premium.
What you about to eat, bro?
I don't know, some cucumbers.
Shit.
I got some shit on my nose.
Let me see.
But I got some fresh churros.
Ooh.
But I got some shit on my nose. Don't look at that.
Which hotel's ours?
The very last one all the way over there.
The sweet.
We got little plebitos out here. They got the cold ass water.
Where we at, bruh? Shit.
San Diego. What?
I don't fucking know.
We were in Rosarito. Now we're back here. I don't know why. I think Rosarito was popping more.
Nah.
So, see. Yeah, little white folks like this.